Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some mini milk tart. Milk tart is a favorite dessert here in South Africa, so I thought I'll make miniature ones. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Let's start off with the milk tart crust. Mix together 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Set aside. In a bowl, add 80 grams of butter and mix until light and fluffy. Then add in a third cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and mix until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients. I did mine in 3 batches. Mix until a soft dough forms. Form about a tablespoon of dough into a ball and place into a greased cupcake pan. Spread the dough out to fit the mold. Using a fork, poke holes into the pastry. This is called docking the dough. This will prevent the dough from puffing up too much. Next, add a piece of parchment paper into each cupcake case. Fill each parchment paper with pie weights. I use lentils. Place in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then remove the parchment paper and the pie weights and bake again for further 5 minutes. Next is the filling. In a pot over medium heat, add in 500 ml of milk and bring this milk to the boil. Once the milk has been brought to the boil, add in 15 ml of butter and 1 tin of condensed milk. Mix to incorporate the ingredients and bring this mixture to the boil. In a bowl with 50 grams of corn flour, add in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk the mixture until all the ingredients are well combined and the mixture is smooth. Slowly pour a little bit of the bubbling mixture into the egg mixture, whisking throughout. This is done to slowly warm up the egg mixture. If this is not done and you pour the cold egg mixture into the hot milk mixture, you could end up with scrambled eggs. And we don't want that. Once the egg mixture is warmed up, slowly add to the hot milk mixture, whisking throughout. Continue whisking until the mixture thickens. Remove from the heat once the mixture has thickened. Spoon the hot mixture into the cooled pastry cups. Sprinkle cinnamon on top. And allow it to cool down for a few minutes. Then place in the fridge for a few hours or overnight to get completely cold. Enjoy some miniature milk tart, which is perfect for tea parties. Or you can make a regular size milk tart using the same quantities.